When people have a sickness or problem, or when this here is blocked, it's blocking the brain. Abdominal block, now eventually the brain going to start to get blocked or get trouble, cannot think, and all kind of problem. This one we call the second brain. In the West, they discover we have a mesentery, another nervous system in here. The second brain actually all involved with digestion, absorption, and elimination. That is a big process because so long, okay? So that's why in this one, when you touch the aorta, and behind that is another brain we call mesentery brain. And this brain controls digestion, absorption, elimination. This is our life, okay? If we cannot digest food, absorb food, elimination food, the life stops, it's finished. So that's why in the Tao way of the Chi Nei Tsang, when you press down, the pulse is pumping too fast, or the pulse are pumping too low. That is number one. So we have our method to massage it, to spiral it, and to press, hold the blood for a while and release. Press and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we release. So in that way, started to affecting the pulse, the aorta. So the aorta, when you activate it, you can feel the vena cava, because aorta and vena cava are next to it. So aorta usually not much problem. All the problem is the vena cava, a return blood. So return blood we cannot fight because it's no pulse, it's running silent. But when we fight aorta, we can fight vena cava, and you touch on the vena cava. Some people, when you touch, they pain because vena cava can be quite tight. When it's quite tight, the return blood will have trouble. So that's why when you press the vena cava, that next to the right side of the navel, you press it, you spiral it, and you hold. Press it, spiral it, and you hold. Spiral clockwise or counterclockwise, press until the vena cava calm down, relax, and more softer. Now you do yourself a big favor, because vena cava is the return blood. When the return blood are blocked or slow, it's causing the whole body blood started to have problem.